This man was about to exit a premises when the ceiling above him suddenly gave way. If you notice unusual sounds or visible cracks in a ceiling or structure, exit calmly but quickly. Structural failures can happen suddenly, so always prioritize getting to an open area. These pedestrians had just walked past a building when the structure suddenly gave way behind them. Aging or visibly weakened buildings pose ongoing risks to pedestrians. Where possible, avoid walking close to structures showing visible cracks and report such buildings to relevant authorities. This woman stepped outside into a snowy street when something suddenly came down from above. In snowy conditions, always be cautious when walking close to buildings with sloped roofs. Accumulated snow can release suddenly and without any visible warning signs. This dock was busy with people getting off a boat when a sudden storm caused something nearby to give way. During sudden storms, move away from canopies, roofing structures, and temporary shelters immediately. These structures are often not built to withstand strong winds and can collapse without warning. This man was stepping out of his house during a stormy day when something large suddenly came down in front of him. During strong winds, avoid stepping directly under or near trees when leaving buildings. Check your surroundings briefly before exiting during severe weather conditions. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new safety video. This pilot was preparing for takeoff in his small plane when another aircraft's wing made contact with his door. Before opening aircraft doors on the tarmac, always check for nearby taxiing or takeoff activity. Ground crew communication and situational awareness are essential in busy airfield areas. This bus driver was on a regular route when an object suddenly came toward the windscreen. Drivers should maintain safe following and passing distances from construction sites, trucks carrying loose materials, or unsecured cargo, as objects can become airborne unexpectedly. This car was driving on the highway when a biker suddenly appeared traveling in the opposite direction. Always follow designated lane directions, especially on one-way roads. Driving against traffic flow puts both the rider and oncoming vehicles at serious risk with very little reaction time. This man was about to enter a premises during a heavy storm when a nearby structure suddenly came down. During heavy storms, avoid entering or standing near structures that may not be storm-resistant. Wait in open, clear areas away from walls, canopies, and temporary buildings until conditions improve. This biker had fallen during heavy rain when a truck suddenly approached from his direction. In wet or rainy conditions, reduce speed significantly as road grip is reduced. If you fall, try to move away from the road immediately, as oncoming vehicles may have reduced visibility and stopping distance.